Hello everyone, my name is Maikia and this is my first Pencast. And I'm doing this Pencast for Physics 1051, which is General Physics 1 at University of Cincinnati Blue Ash College with Professor Stocker. For this Pencast, I'm choosing to do Mastering Physics under the section of Estimating Order of Magnitude, question 4, part B. For this question, it asks, how many times will your heart beat in your lifetime? So what I did to start off is I needed some necessary information. So I went to Google and I found that the average lifetime of a human is 79 years. So I just went ahead and rounded it up to 80 years. And then I also needed to find how many beats per minute is the average adult. And so I found that that was between 60 to 100 beats per minute. And then I also found the average beats per minute for a child, which was between 70 to 100 beats per minute. So then what I did was I averaged these two values for the adult first to get 80 beats per minute. And then I did the same thing for a child and got 85 beats per minute. But what I wanted to find was the average person's beats per minute. So I averaged these two values for the adult and the child to get 82.5 beats per minute. So from there, I wanted to convert the 82.5 beats per minute of the average person into how many beats per hour. So I multiplied this by 60, since there's 60 minutes in an hour, and got 4,950 beats per hour. And then I wanted to find out how many beats per day. So I took the 4,950 beats per hour and multiplied it by 24, since there are 24 hours in a day, to get 118,800 beats per day. But I still needed to go a bit further. I wanted to find the average person's heartbeats in a year. So then I took my value of 118,800 beats per day, and I multiplied it by 365, since there's 365 days in a year, to get 43,362,000 beats per year. Then I took it a step further and multiplied it by 80, because I wanted to find out what the beats per lifetime was for an average person. and I got 3,468,960,000 beats per lifetime. And so Mastering Physics wants our answer in order of magnitude, and so I converted it, my answer, into an order of magnitude with two significant figures, which turns out to be 3.5 because I rounded the 3,468,000,000. This rounds up to 5 to get the 3.5. And billion is 10 to the 9th. So it becomes 3.5 times 10 to the 9th power beats per lifetime. And so our order of magnitude is 9. And that is how I achieved my answer of 9.